Hey everybody, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I've got a really good tip for you today. I usually buy name brand products like Lucky Line for any of my, I don't know, just these consumables. And I went off brand today and I filled this box up with 100 of these off brand. I really don't even, know the make here. I guess it's Sinitro. And I only paid $8. So that's less than that's about 9 cents per paper tag. And they're 1.25" paper tag. Now, I can't tell the difference between my overpriced Lucky Line products and this Sinitro. I think I'm butchering the name, but hey, my tip for the day, if you want to save big, I hate to go off brand, but $47 for shipping and Lucky Line. These are about $17 for a box of Lucky Line from just a normal supplier. Let's say you're just going to, I don't know, you're going to search the internet. You're going to find a company that sells this Lucky Line. So these key tags are, they say they're $35. That's their list price. So if you're a locksmith, you can get them for around $17. But they're charging $25 to ship. I hate to even buy anything from my normal suppliers anymore because of the fact that it's so expensive. Now, I don't want to, ditch on Lucky Line. But if I can't afford to go buy from my supplier any of these little small consumables, and I can get them for 9 cents a piece, and they're the same thing. I just put these on people's keychains, and just for reference, because they're throwaways. No one really uses these. It's just something, maybe you'll stick on your wall of shame keys or something you've got where you just have to letter or number something because you don't want to stamp on the key. And you need something cheap. I'd go to Amazon. Use your Amazon Prime account. It's as simple as can be. And buy these off-brand 1.25" tags. I really can't tell the difference, guys. So my tip for the day, if you really want to just feel a little better about life, reuse your overpriced Lucky Line key tag little box. No one will be the wiser. And there you have it. My tip for the day, buy them from Amazon. 9 cents a piece, $8.97, and I didn't pay any shipping price. So become an Amazon Prime little member. You'll get free TV show stuff, and you'll also get free shipping on a lot of these products. I really think Amazon is going to take over the lock and key industry, and most of these companies are probably going to have to start selling through Amazon. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more door and lock tips like knockoff Lucky Line key tags, which you just put in a box, right? No one will know, and they'll think, oh, he's carrying the best brand. Don't tell anybody I did this. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe. Tell your friends. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Thank you, guys. Ring that bell.